once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's. Today we're going to get off some lock and wheel nuts from a Peugeot car. Here we have a Peugeot 2008, and let's have a look at what we're looking at. It's right here. So the locking key has been damaged. It snapped while they tried to remove it. Now we've got this little piece that sticks out here, so it should be nice and easy to get a grip socket on there. And we're going to use this type. So get it over the top. Get our walkie gun on here. There you go. One nut out. Come over to our van. Got some replacement nuts here. Get this open. And here we have the nut. It's got this little piece on it here. And we'll get a socket to fit that, which is 17mm. That's all done. He approves. And we got a little bit lucky on that one. As you can see there, it's sort of raised up. We've got a gap, and it's sort of seized, locked tight, so that's why we could get a socket over this top bit here. So it saves you marking the wheel, but usually we'd have to get it around this section, the lower section here, because usually they spin like that. But we'd have to fit a socket like that over it. Normally, this is one that we've shaved down so it fits in. That's all successful there. Use that method. They're not always that simple, and sometimes you've got to use a lot of different methods to get these open. But this one was quite a simple type. And see you on the next videos.